Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, we're diving into a pressing issue with Windows 11's latest update, KB5041585. For many users, this update has turned into a frustrating experience, causing installation failures and even serious performance issues. If you're a Valorant player, beware it might even mess with your anti-cheat software. But why is this update so important? It patches a critical TCP/IP vulnerability that could leave your system exposed to attackers. Let's break down what's going wrong and what you can do to protect your PC. Let's get started. The first step is to open the Start menu and type Troubleshoot Settings in the search bar. Then, select Additional Troubleshooters. After that, choose Windows Update, and then run the troubleshooter. Step 2. Open the Start menu and type Services. Once it's open, locate the service named App Readiness and open it. Set the startup type to Automatic. Click Apply, then click Start. And finally, click OK. Locate Windows Update and open it. Set the startup type to Automatic. Click Apply, then click Start if it's not already started, and finally, click OK. Keep selecting Windows Update, and then restart the service. Stay in Services and look for Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Repeat the same steps. Set Startup Type to Automatic. Click Apply, then click Start if it's not already started, then click Restart the service. Step 3. Open the Software Distribution folder on your computer. Navigate to the C drive, then the Windows folder, followed by Software Distribution, and finally, the Download folder. Delete all its contents. Navigate to the System32 folder on your computer. Then navigate to the Caroot2 folder. Delete all its contents. Step 4. Open the Start menu and type Notepad. Open the link in video description and select all the text. Copy the text and paste it into Notepad. Save the file by selecting Save As. Change the Save As type to All Files and add .bat at the end of the file name. Navigate to where you saved the file. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. The file will run automatically, which may take some time. Step 5. Open the Microsoft Support website. The link is in the video description. Under Windows 11 Installation Assistant, click the Download Now button and save the file to your computer. Next, navigate to the file location and double-click to launch the Installation Assistant setup. Once the setup confirms your computer's compatibility, click Accept and Install to begin the installation of Windows 11. After installation, click Restart Now, and the wizard will complete the update. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Hit the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we upload new content. See you in the next video.